Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 best premium online grammar checker tools. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Grammarly. Grammarly is one of the best grammar checking tools that provides its service both for free and premium versions. It is also known as the most accurate grammar checker. It comes with tons of awesome features and easy-to-use interface. Its free version has limited features and is suitable for basic grammar checking. You have to use a supported browser to access the free tool, including Chrome, Firefox and Safari. You can also upload a document to Grammarly for checking spellings, grammar, errors and much more. It covers 250 basic to advanced grammar mistakes, and has a built-in vocabulary enhancer to make your writings best. It also corrects contextual spelling mistakes and it is quite accurate at it as well. Its premium version will give you an option to check the duplicate content. Features: fix tricky spelling errors, makes you free from punctuation error, enhance your writing, plagiarism checker, pricing. The plans and pricing of Grammarly are as displayed on the screen. Number 2, ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is one of the best online grammar checker tools to make your English error-free. This offers top-class grammar and style checking to make your writings more powerful. The advanced features and tools of ProWritingAid make the authors and writers feel comfortable and interactive. This provides its services in various forms like web, extensions, and much more. This is very handy to use and its performance will never disappoint you at any point in your writings. Features: better writing in less time. 20 in-depth report types. Optimizes your writing style and improves as well. Eliminates errors easily. Lot of suggestions. Compatible with all the major browsers and platforms. Pricing. The prices of ProWritingAid are displayed on the screen. Number 3, Ginger. Ginger is another well-known grammar checking tool that is quite accurate and also offers some great additional features. Ginger might not be as accurate as Grammarly, but its intuitive interface and some side features are worth trying. You can use this Ginger grammar checking tool for free with limited autocorrects each week. But you have to get the paid version to enjoy all the features without limitations. Its other tools include a sentence rephrase for writing correct sentences and a text-to-speech engine improves your pronunciation. Furthermore, it comes with personal trainer feature that reads your writing style, mistakes and trains you to perfect your weak spots. Features: subject-verb agreement. Boosts your writing productivity. Work across all websites, tools and devices. AI-based synonyms. Pricing. The plans and pricings of Ginger are displayed on the screen. Number 4, WhiteSmoke. WhiteSmoke's accuracy can be compared to Ginger, and it has many compatibility and writing features. It can be integrated into your browser for perfect web grammar connection, and it works with Microsoft Office products as well. It uses a self-improving system that enables it to improve as you use it. WhiteSmoke also provides complete information on suggestions and offers tips to improve your English writing. Additionally, it has many templates to make your writings even more easier. Features: grammar checker, spell checker, style checker, keeps you free from punctuation error, translator. Pricing. WhiteSmoke is available in 3 plans, such as Web, Premium, and Business. And the payment can be done in yearly billing and 3-year billing. The process of yearly billing are as displayed on the screen. And, here are the prices of 3-year billing. Number 5, Language Tool. Language Tool is also another free online grammar checker that has both online and desktop tools. Its grammar checking and suggestion tools are similar to other tools discussed in this tutorial. However, it has support for 20 different languages, including English, Japanese, French, German, Italian, and more. If you write in other languages, then its language tool could be a great help. Many professional tools don't have support for multiple languages, so it can be perfect for you. It also has extensions for Chrome, Firefox, OpenOffice, and LibreOffice. Features: distraction-free writing experience, personal dictionary, quality scoring for your texts. Texts are stored securely. Integrates with your favorite Office program. Pricing. The plans and prices of language tools are displayed on the screen. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.